Hey YouTube, this is Kat, I'm Matt, we are K&M Getaways. Have you ever noticed that cruise lines sell the dream excursion, like the dolphins? Do you remember our dolphin excursion? 4 of us, $150 each, $600.
Was Noah's first kiss?
Noah's first kiss, his absolute first kiss. And the 15-minute time kissing dolphins at the port would have been 40% less. 40%.
Pro tip, shore tours are often 30 to 50% cheaper if you were to book through a third-party vendor and not online or in a port.
So, if you've ever thought, wow, that looks like an amazing time, but why is it so expensive? Hit the subscribe button now, because we're breaking down every rookie mistake we've made and a few others and showing you how to cruise smarter.
Mistake 1, overthinking the wrong stuff. Your dress shoes is not the issue. Not pre-purchasing that Wi-Fi package or the drink package is.
Absolutely. Pro tip, cruise lines discount the Wi-Fi package pre-cruise, usually up to 20 to 30%.
On a good time, 50%.
So if you're unplugging, great. Skip the Wi-Fi altogether. But if you don't want a really big bill at the end of the cruise, look in that app a couple of days before. Get that. All right, you ready?
I guess. Go.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
Are you going to stay on?
That is my toe you're licking.
You ready? Okay, it's like herding cats. Or at least just one of them. I think.
On one cruise, Matt forgot to package.
I didn't package anything. My package was hanging out.
So on one of our cruises, Matt forgot to purchase our Wi-Fi package ahead of time, and instead he brought 2 pairs of dress shoes. Guess how many times he wore them? 0.
Not once.
So don't overthink those small things or that you have to go out and buy the best items.
So mistake number 2, we're going to go into a little bit more depth about the drink package. Buying drinks one by one sure feels frugal, but those costs add up super, super fast. Think fresh orange juice in the morning, 1 latte.
Specialty coffee. So pro tip, it's not just about how many alcoholic drinks you're going to be drinking that day. You have your bottled water, your energy drinks, your mocktails. All those things can add up quickly, and that drink package can save your budget.
Really, really quickly. Again, if you look in the app, we got ours on our upcoming cruise, 50% off. It was down at the same price as the non-alcoholic package and well worth it for us.
Yes.
Mistake number 3, late embarkation. The later you show up, the longer the line is going to be. Plan to arrive 30 minutes before your embarkation. It gets you through the terminal and through security and all the checks, and you're on board before everyone else has already eaten 2 plates of shrimp cocktail.
Shrimp cocktail. Okay. 2 plates of the buffet will work.
Shrimp cocktail.
Okay.
Shrimp cocktail.
So for your embarkation, it's pro tip. Stick to the time assigned to you. That'll get you through the process the smoothest and less stress. You have people that want to go early, that's going to cause long lines. You have people that are showing up late, which can delay things as well. If you show up when they tell you to, you're going to get on that ship and it's going to make it less stressful.
Yeah, I think the last time we were on, it was like 15 minutes, under 15 minutes, and we were already getting close to the pool deck. So yeah, it was pretty cool. So, by the way, if embarkation stresses you out, we're going to link our video right up here, and that's got our 7 tips for our embarkation to make your embarkation super, super easy.
Cruises are designed to swipe that sell away card very easy without thinking about it. If you're not careful, you're going to walk off that ship with a huge bill, almost the same as what your cruise fare was.
Yeah. So pro tip, set a daily spending limit before sailing. Keep the fun in check. Have a great time without killing your budget.
And you can check those charges each day on your app or on usually television on some of them.
Most of the television. Yep. So by the way, you're not going to see it right now, but we're also going to link the video to our next one, which is the 10 hacks for first-time cruisers. So just check it out. It should be there in like a week. So
we sail next week. So.
Yep, we sail next week. Scene 3, mistakes 4 through 7. Take this one.
Mistake 4, skipping the daily planner. You'll miss the good stuff. Some of the small pop-up activities that you didn't think existed. Or you may end up holding towel animals.
Yeah. Well, just letting you know. So pro tip, flag the events that you really want and talk about it with each other. Okay. We missed a free wine tasting. She still hasn't forgiven me.
He played poker.
It was cool. Poker was cool.
Wine's better.
Wine is better. Yep,
Yeah.
I agree.
Mistake 5, booking every excursion through the cruise line. Oh,
See, it's not as easy as you think on that one. Right, get you caught right in your tongue.
Mistake 5, booking every excursion through the cruise line. Same tour, higher price, not recommended all the time.
So pro tip, compare before you sail. Look at the prices in your app. Contact your travel agent. Often they can get you rates 20 to 50% cheaper or directly booking online.
Through the excursion provider.
Yeah. Plus, it's a smaller group and it's way more personal.
You can get like 20 people versus, or sometimes even 4 or 5. There was one we went on that was 4 people.
4 people.
That was amazing.
Okay. Mistake 6, overpacking. Cabins are not built for 6 suitcases.
Pro tip, pack for your clothing with versatility. Noah's keeping track of what you wore day 1 to day 4. This gentleman packs for everything night, all the accessories.
Gotta look pretty. Come on.
Mistake 7, not tipping the crew. They're the ones that make the magic happen. They get all the little things that you may not even notice.
So here's my pro tip. Hand out a small tip early. Often great service finds its way back to you.
And don't forget to write the thank you notes at the end and fill out those surveys. That's really important, and learn their names.
If you're nodding along like I am, don't just watch. Subscribe now. Hit the notification and we're going to bring some new videos every week for you. Who knows?
Mistake 8, bring small bills. Think 1s and 5s. To make tipping easier, you have what are the porters? Is that what they're called?
Orders.
I lost the name of the word. Mistake 8, not bringing small bills. Not every port runs on cards. So pro tip, bring some 1s and 5s. You got your tips that you need to give at the porters. You have your cab who's not going to swipe your Visa.
And if he does, you
Might want to check that.
Want to check that. So mistake number 9, and this one is super, super important. Forgetting travel insurance. Medical bills can sink a vacation, even a cold. We know a guy that got a $600 bill just for going to the doctor on the ship. Pro tip, buy the insurance early. It's cheaper way before the last one. We paid like 10%, under 10% of what the cruise fare was. And it just really keeps that peace of mind right up until when you're coming back home.
And it's not just medical. It's trip cancellations and any other unforeseen events that may happen. So check your policy and visit with your travel agent, and they can walk you through that. Mistake 10, ignoring the muster drill instructions. We'll need to get to that and do it
right away. Okay. You don't want to be the person holding up the ship because you haven't been to the muster drill.
They call your name overhead.
Okay.
And you're leaving everybody else waiting for you to do what you're supposed to do. So, pro tip, pay attention, go to your muster station, check it off the list immediately, and relax. Recall the dolphins from the beginning of this video. It is the same dolphins, same splash, higher price. The cruises charge you. Classic rookie mistake.
You can keep all that cash and still get that fin-slapping selfie without the markup. That's why our next video dives into 10 cruise hacks That actually worked. Retreat is worth more than a specialty dinner. If you hit subscribe, stick around, cruise smarter, not harder. Nothing beats walking past those lines you once stood in.
These aren't just tips. These are your tickets to cruising with confidence. And avoid standing in some of those rookie lines, wondering what's happening.
Pro tip, confidence makes the entire trip smooth. So act like you belong, and you'll be treated like you do.
If you liked this, our next video will make you love cruising even more.
Click into the playlist, binge a few, and you'll be the smartest cruiser before boarding day.
Cruise smarter, not harder, less stress, just cruise.
Last pro tip of the day. Watch the videos in order. Each one builds on each other. They're kind of like stacking bricks for a smoother sailing. Till we see you again, shit happens.